Good morning. Myself Prabhakaran J, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is manufacturing test principle from the unit 4, that is VLSI testing. From subject name is VLSI design. Let I discuss. Yeah. Uh, Manufacturing test principle in VLSI testing focus on ensuring that integrated circuits are free from defect after fabrication. These principles guide the testing process to detect defect efficiently while minimizing cost and time. A speck of dust on a wafer is sufficient to kill chip. Yield of any chip is less than 100%. Must test chips after manufacturing before delivery to customer to only ship good parts. Manufacturing testers are more expensive. Minimize time on tester, careful selection of test vectors. And let me discuss some of the fault modeling. The fault modeling helps predict common defect that can occur during manufacturing process. It provides a way to stimulate and detect possible fault in the circuit. Let me discuss some of the types of fault, that is stuck fault and bridging fault, and another one is open circuit fault and delay fault. um, uh, Stuck fault means a signal is stuck at a logic 0 or logic 1 and does not changes as expected. And bridging fault means two or more signal lines are shorted together. And open circuit faults in the sense a wire broken or disconnected leading to no signal flow. And delay fault signal don't transition within the required timing constraints, causing timing failures. Stuck means assume all failures causes nodes to be stuck at 0 or 1. That means always shorted to ground or always shorted to VDD. Stuck at 0 means always shorted to ground, and stuck at 1 means always shorted to VDD. Uh, Next one is this is the stuck at 0. Okay. Observability and controllability. These two terms are more important when we are doing test. Observability is of observing a node by watching external output pins of this chip. This is called observability. And another one is controllability. Controllability is of forcing a node to 0 or 1 by driving input pins of the chip. This is called controllability. And test pattern generation. Manufacturing test ideally would check every node in the circuit to prove is not stuck. Apply the smallest sequence of test vectors necessary to prove each node is not stuck. Good observability and controllability reduces number of test vectors required for manufacturing test. More number of for example yeah example of text vector. And some of the manufacturing test is DFT, and some built-in self-test boundary scan, boundary scan, and so on. Test generation generate a set of test pattern to apply to the circuit to to detect fault, and test coverage in the sense measure how well the test patterns detect potential defect in the circuit. And then parametric testing and defect based testing, these all under the manufacturing burn-in testing. uh, and post manufacturing repairs in the sense repair minor defect in the chip to increase yield and reduce waste. uh, and uh, Manufacturing test principle in VLSI ensure defect-free chip while maintaining cost effectiveness and efficiency. These principle ensure that chip meet performance, reliability, and yield expectation through well-planned fault reduction and repair. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in next video. Thank you.